how to reset the password on your Gmail account. Now, I'll be demonstrating this on a computer, but this will also work on mobile as well. Now, all you need to do is go and load up an internet browser, and in the address bar, you need to go and type in mail.google.com and then go and press enter. You then need to click on the sign in button. You can then enter your email address and press next. Now, in order to reset the password, you need to click on try another way. And here you'll find the recovery options for your Gmail account. So if you have a passkey, you can go and use this option. Otherwise, you can select try another way, and you can use another verification method. So if you have a telephone number linked to your Gmail account, you can actually go and use this to recover the account. So just select the area code of your telephone phone number, and then you can enter your phone number in this field here. You'll then receive a verification code to your registered phone, and you'll need to confirm this on your mobile device. Now, once you've gone through the verification steps, you can then create a new password for your Gmail account. You need to make sure this is at least 8 characters in length, and you can then use this new password to sign in to your Gmail account.